Once there was a boy named Alex. He had no money, no support, and no connections. People laughed at him when he said, "One day, I'll build my own business." Every morning, he saw others succeed, and every night, he questioned himself. But one thing was different about Alex. He never gave up. One day, with just $10 in his pocket, he started selling simple products on the street. The first day, no sales. Second day, still nothing. But instead of quitting, he said, "Success is not for the lucky. It's for the brave." Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. Slowly, people started noticing him. His honesty, his hard work, his courage. Years later, that same boy who was once ignored became the owner of a successful company. And when people asked him his secret, he smiled and said, "I didn't have money. I had courage. And that was enough."